Buy Dragon Ball Super. Dragon Ball Super is a popular anime and manga series that continues the legendary Dragon Ball franchise. Whether you are looking to purchase physical copies of the manga, Blu-ray discs of the anime, or merchandise related to Dragon Ball Super, there are several ways to acquire them both online and in physical stores. 1. Determine what you want to buy. Dragon Ball Super manga. The manga continues the story from Dragon Ball Z and is available in both physical and digital formats. Dragon Ball Super Anime, Blu-ray DVD. The anime series is available for purchase in Blu-ray and DVD sets, including different seasons and special episodes. Dragon Ball Super merchandise. Fans can buy action figures, clothing, posters, and other collectibles related to the show. Second, online retailers for manga and anime. You can purchase Dragon Ball Super manga and anime through several online platforms. Amazon, one of the largest online retailers offering both manga volumes and Blu-ray DVD sets. eBay, a marketplace for new and used Dragon Ball Super items, including rare collectibles. Right Stuff Anime specializes in anime-related merchandise, including Dragon Ball Super anime Blu-rays and manga. Comixology for digital copies of the Dragon Ball Super manga. 3. Physical stores and comic shops. Many local bookstores, comic book stores, and big retailers like Walmart or Target offer physical copies of Dragon Ball Super manga, DVDs, and Blu-ray sets. Check in-store availability or order directly through their websites. 4th, digital platforms for manga and anime. Crunchyroll, a streaming service for anime, including Dragon Ball Super, where you can watch episodes. Funimation offers streaming options for Dragon Ball Super episodes and allows for purchasing physical or digital Blu-ray sets. VI's Media offers digital copies of the Dragon Ball Super manga for purchase or subscription. 5. Consider special editions or collectibles. Look out for limited edition sets, collector's items, and special merchandise like autographed memorabilia or exclusive Blu-ray releases. These can provide additional value and are perfect for hardcore fans. 6. Compare prices and offers. Before making a purchase, compare prices across different platforms and look for special deals, discounts, or bundles. Sometimes, buying the complete set or a box set might offer better value than purchasing individual volumes or episodes. In conclusion, buying Dragon Ball Super involves choosing the right format, manga, anime, or merchandise, and finding the best purchasing platform. Whether through online stores, streaming platforms, or physical stores, there are plenty of options available for fans to enjoy the series in different forms.